Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Madeline and I post new videos every Sunday, all things fashion, lifestyle, and in this case, hair and beauty. So in this video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a review and a first impression of the Dyson Airwrap. So we all know this thing came out like over a year ago and I thought about it for a while and then kind of just forgot about it. And then my birthday's coming up at the end of this month and I thought, that'd be a good gift from my boyfriend. So I got it. I literally just unboxed it. It was an early B-Day present. And I'm gonna give it my first go right now. So you guys are gonna be here while for trial and error, see exactly what happens. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. First, I thought I'd show you guys what's in this one. So this is the Smooth and Control one. And it comes with the blow dryer part. So this long guy, and then on this you attach unwrapping. Should add that to the title. So on this you can add all these different heads. So this one is, let me see, so okay, so is that locked in? Okay, we're back in business. I got out my manual. So got this attached, and this is called the pre-styling dryer, which looks almost identical to the Dyson blow dryer. So what I've heard is, so apparently this is it's less strong than the actual blow dryer you get on its own. But if you were comparing either getting just the blow dryer or getting this with all these styling tools that come in here, after reading some reviews and talking to some friends that have it, getting the kit I think is better for your buck, because this one isn't that much, I mean, I guess I'll let you guys know after I try it, but this one isn't that much less strong than the one that comes on its own. And this whole set was $550. Very steep, I know. But the blow dryer just on its own is $400, I believe. So you're getting a lot more for $150 more. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. So this one you use first. This is the pre-styling tool, and basically you use this to get most of the wetness out of your hair, because you only want your hair to be slightly damp when you go in with these guys. So let's do that now. Okay, so okay, so first impression of the blow dryer, wow, that thing works fast, and I have like a horse's mane hair. So I hope I didn't get my hair too dry for this tool, for the next tool, which is called the Airwrap Barrels. That makes sense. So let me switch out. So to get this to come off, you just, there's a little unlock button. You press that down. Okay, easy peasy. And then I think I'm gonna do smaller ones just to be fun. Okay, now I'm just gonna section my hair off. I usually do like 3 or 4 sections. Okay, y'all, this is the moment of truth. I'm scared. Please work, please work. Okay. Let's get a good piece. This looks like a good piece. What do you think? Let me brush it out. I'm being such a freak. Okay, so now I've heard what you do is you just turn it on and you put it on the end of your hair, and then it just starts to wrap. So what am I doing wrong? Oh, I think I'm tangling my hair. Okay. And then did that do? I'm super confused. Oh. Ooh, okay, it works. This is good, this is good. But, wait, okay, how do I cool blast it? Oh, you press up. Okay. Okay, the only thing I will say so far is it does kind of tangle in my other pieces since the air is blowing. So just gotta be kind of careful on that. But I think it's going well, y'all. I'm just gonna keep doing my thing. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. This is my hair after the first layer. And honestly, for a first try, it's pretty good. The only thing I will say is I'm having trouble getting bigger chunks of hair to go around it, but that might be because this is the smaller barrel, and also you get them done so fast, and for me this cuts out a whole different blow dry step before I get to curling, that honestly if I have to do smaller sections, I think this is still gonna save me time and it's better for your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I'm on my second to last layer. So, so far so good. Yeah, I really just think practice, like the ends, I'll show you guys in the end, but the ends of my curls, I think I'm gonna need to go in with a curling iron, like my own, and just fix them up before I go out to eat with my friend tonight, just because they're a little wonky. But I really just think it's because I haven't gotten the craft down yet. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Obviously, will be running through with my fingers. And definitely making sure the pieces are brushed out before because they'll just get extra tangly if you don't brush the pieces of hair out. Did I fuck that one up? Sorry, language. Oh, foot's falling asleep. Okay, and honestly, I haven't figured out how to do the cool blast yet without having to rummage through a bunch with my fingers. I mean, like, I haven't been able to figure out how to flip the switch and do the cool blast, because you're supposed to zap it with set it with the cool, but every time I press up on this button, it just takes too long to get cold. Pretty hot. Pretty. Okay, final layer. I definitely needed to go through my hair a little bit more and dry it better. Is the right one? Nope. I think I said this already, but you want to make sure the arrows go away from your face. Okay. Okay, so but yeah, I didn't have my hair dried enough in each layer. I thought it was dry enough, and so I've had to each layer go in and not only switch these out, but also put this on to get my hair a little bit drier. So it's been a process, but I know it's gonna get shorter. Maybe I'm just being very optimistic. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video in like a month on how this has gone. Leave me a comment if you feel like that would be a good idea. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, Dun, dun, dun. They are very bouncy curls. I will say that. But just like the ends right here, you'll see what I mean? That is what needs work. Okay. Can we take it down? I'm like, I hope it feels voluminous.
It looks good.
Thank you. Ooh, it does look good. It just needs like, it's just gonna need a little bit of perfecting.
What?
It's just gonna need, I'm just gonna need to practice. But
yeah, I mean,
it looks good.
It's a completely different tool than you're used to. You spent all these years getting good at that. And this is a totally different thing, you know?
Exactly. Well, cool. I'm happy with it. Okay, so just to give you guys a final look of my first time using this tool, it looks really good. I really like it. It's also making me realize how much I need a haircut because my ends are very dead. But I really do like it. Just gonna need to practice it, and just work on getting more volume up top, but all different things I can work on. So I would give this an 8 out of 10. The only two things I can think to complain about is just how it's difficult to get the ends to look right, and how the pre-styler tangles my hair a little bit, but I think I just have to get used to it. I remember my other blow dryer used to like do the same thing to my hair before I got used to how to work with it. But yeah, so if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. New videos every Sunday. I usually post fashion hauls, vlogs if I'm doing something fun, travel videos if that'll ever happen again, and just fashion, content, beauty, all that good stuff. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.